Hi, and welcome to Equid Education. My name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to start selling on Instagram and how to set up Instagram shoppable posts. If you haven't connected your Equid store to Facebook, you'll need to do that first. Starting at your Equid dashboard, navigate to Facebook and Instagram. Click on Set Up Instagram Shop. This will bring you to Facebook. Click Manage Shop. Click on Settings and Instagram Connection, then click Connect to Instagram. Click on Connect Account and follow the setup instructions. On your cell phone, open your Instagram app and head over to Settings. Click on Shopping and choose which catalog you want to connect to your Instagram profile. To tag products in a post, tap on the items that you'd like to tag and select the products from your catalog. You can tag up to 5 products on a single image post and up to 20 on a carousel post. If you want to tag products on posts you've already created, you can edit the post and tag the products. This allows customers to shop for products on your best and most popular posts. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to create Instagram shoppable posts.